Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get more maintenance clients for your detailing business. And look, if you don't know who I am, my name is Eric Ortiz. I own Unique Auto Detailing, which is the #1 mobile car detailing company here in Miami, Florida. So you already know, I got you with the tips. So listen out. We have over 500K followers on Instagram. I have over 400K followers on TikTok. And I'm growing my YouTube by sharing free tips for all of you guys because I wanna help you. So let's get straight into it. So look, I have my bullet points here because a lot of information and I don't want to be all over the place and I want you guys to get the most out of this video. So let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that you need to build a strong brand because perceived value equals price justification. If you don't have a strong brand, the customers are not just going to see the value in your maintenance offer, right? So for example, if your brand doesn't look strong, the customers are not going to see the connection between price and value. So they're not going to feel comfortable paying you a certain amount every single month for you to come to their house and detail their car, right? Another point that's very, very important is that your appearance matters a lot. Guys, I cannot stretch this enough. I see a lot of detailers in Crocs. I see a lot of detailers that they wear tank tops. Like, please don't do this. You're servicing a customer. Why are you going dressed like you were hitting the gym? That's not a thing, and change it, please. So clean uniforms, neat haircut, and tidy look. Always is key to have a great presentation, not your just van, but the way you look too, right? I'm talking about the van/truck that should represent the way you look. So it should represent your business as well. So clean, wrapped, and professional. Look, you don't have to have it wrapped. That's just optional. But in reality, it gives you points. I'm not gonna lie. But look, I started from a Kia Rio 2016 and I used to get a lot of compliments on how I organized my setup. I didn't have a pressure washer, I didn't have a vacuum. However, I had a trunk organizer, I had labels on all my products. I was clean. I look clean. I always had a haircut. I don't have a beard, but if I had, I would be trimmed down, you know? So it matters a lot. Your van and your personal look, it's very important. Now, look, if you have a strong brand, that builds trust even before you speak. For example, we have over 350 5-star reviews on Google. We have 3 vans running around with a team, right? They all look the same. It's consistent. It looks professional. The setups, I invested 10K in each setup, so you can imagine how they look. I'll show you in the next videos. But you can just tell the way I look, the way I feel, the way I want to present my business. Because at the end of the day, your business is a projection of your persona, right? So look, people buy confidence and consistency, not just services, especially for maintenance customers. They're looking for consistency and very, very important, they want to trust you with their vehicle every single month. Point number 2, and very, very important, deliver outstanding results. Your first impression equals a long-term customer. And yes, I know it sounds pretty obvious, but a lot of people don't have common sense that they don't even think about it. So check it out. The first job, think of it as an audition for a maintenance plan. So you need to over-deliver. Look, you should always aim for perfection if it's between customer's budget, right? Depending on what service you're providing. However, over-deliver is always key, especially if you're trying to scale fast, right? Now, literally go all in. Every detail matters, literally no shortcuts. And look guys, this is key. Treat every new customer like a long-term one from day one. What does that mean? You need to treat your customers like kings and queens, literally. Remember, they're paying your bills. They don't owe you anything. They're hiring you for a service. So be grateful and treat them like kings and queens, okay? Don't give that attitude, the customer better. No. You need to over-deliver and treat them amazingly so they remember you, they want to hire you over and over again. Exceed expectations so they want to keep you around, as simple as that. Point number 3, focus on customer experience. How you make them feel matters so much. Yes, results matter a lot, no one's denying that. However, experience locks in loyalty, okay? You need to get that into your little head. Every single time you're gonna service a customer, okay, how am I making the customer feel? This should be your first priority always. Be punctual. That's literally showing respect for their time. You want respect? Show respect as well. Communication is key as well. If you communicate clearly, you give them updates, reminders, follow-ups, they feel like you're present in your business, and customers love that, especially business owners, all right? Now, super important, be professional and polite. Small details have big impressions, okay? So a big smile, Mr., Miss, instead of bro, hey man, nah. Mr. Smith, hey Mrs. Johnson, how you doing? How's your day going? Simple Simple as that. My name is Eric. Very nice meeting you. I know we talked on the phone, but it's a pleasure meeting you in person. That makes a difference. A lot of detailers that I know, they just go, hey, what's up? Like, what do you mean, bro? Have energy, have a smile on your face. That's gonna make such a difference, okay? Look, guys, point 3 is very simple. Make doing business with you a pleasant experience. As simple as that. Now, point 4, follow up and present the maintenance plan the right way. Don't just mention maintenance, right? Recommend it as part of your process and make them feel special. Hey, Mr. Johnson, by the way, since you love the car so much, I only offer this to my top 5 customers, which is a maintenance plans. I come every 30th of the month or the 15th, whatever works best for you. And I leave the car as pristine as it looks right now. Like I said, we do it every month, so we maintain the condition. You're gonna feel every 15 days that your car looks brand new again. How does that sound? Or instead of saying, how does that sound? You could be like, we could do it at 4 p.m. if that works for you, Mrs. Johnson. How does that sound? Don't say, how does that sound at the end, okay? Now, you gotta frame it as you're protecting their investments, not just a sales guy that you're trying to make more money of them, right? They need to feel that you care about their vehicle and you're actually doing it because you love to work in your company, right? You need to show that. They need to feel it, bro. We're energy. So they need to feel that energy that you want to be there. You want to service them. You love doing your job. They need to feel that because that matters a lot. People are not stupid. Promise you. They notice absolutely everything, especially if you're dealing with high-end customers, which is most likely your case because in reality, we own a detailing business. So most of our clients, especially people with sports cars, Rolls Royce, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Porsches, etc., are business owners or they have a good job. You know what I'm saying? Guys, and something to keep in mind, if you make it visual, if you have it physically on paper, it's gonna make a huge difference. For example, you can have a simple brochure or a digital quote or a one-pager just ready to show. That makes a difference because when they see it, it just looks professional and you can present it as part of the routine. And you can present it as something, like I said, high-end, pristine, only for my top 10 customers. Make them feel special and that way they wanna be part of it. You can even use like limited slots and whatnot, like urgency. Everything works. That's why big companies use them. Just try to copy what big companies are doing because they're doing it and they're billionaires or even trillionaires, right? So guys, point 4 is very simple. Make it clear, easy, and valuable. No pressure. Don't sound desperate because you're not gonna sell. Sales is energy, like I said. They need to feel like you wanna do it, not just because of the money. And guys, we're almost done. Don't worry. Point number 5, social proof and consistency. Look, I post every single day. I post a video showing a process, most likely in a high-end car, because that's what I want to track. What you show is what's gonna come back to you, right? So for example, guys, you need to post every single day stories of what you're doing, showing the customers that are active. By the way, if you don't follow me at Unique Detailing, go follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So let's get it if you're curious about the videos I'm talking about. So yeah, I show the whole process from the first moment I open the van to the last clip where I'm showing the results around the car, interior, absolutely everything. And I show step by step cutting it so the video looks dynamic. Like I said, we have 500,000 followers. It was a lot of effort, so I know what I'm talking, guys. Look, social media is key. If I didn't have my social media, my business wouldn't be making 50 grand a month and having 3 vans and a shop. So I promise you, it works, all right? So you can show your customers testimonials. It could be a video or written as well. It really doesn't matter. And very important, keep your online presence clean and professional. So Instagram, your website, and your Google should look clean and professional, like I said. I don't want dirty pictures, you know, like you're taking a picture of a Lamborghini and then there's the water hose like around the car. Clean your background before taking the picture. Even for the videos, if you have like dirty mitts or whatever, just clean absolutely everything, clear it out, and then record the video and take the picture. Because if not, it's not gonna attract clean people. That's what you want, trust me, right? So look, guys, consistency equals credibility. So people want to see you're stable and reliable, especially for your maintenance services, right, guys? And look, a little bonus for you. Point number 6, create a system. So look, this is saucy. This is only in my paid program, which I'm gonna share in 1 second. But look, create systems, guys. So have a clear maintenance schedule, so monthly, quarterly, etc., right? So you know exactly when to offer to the customer when you're talking to them. You can have automate reminders and follow-ups. You can pay a CRM. In my case, I pay one. I might leave it in the description. If not, just send me a text on Instagram just saying, hey, I'm coming from YouTube. Just give me the CRM and I'll do that for you. No worries. And super important, this is saucy, guys. Keep notes on each customer. Show them you remember their details. For example, if Mr. Raul school, tells you that he has a daughter that practices soccer and that's why there's little grass on the car. Next time you service them, hey Mr. Raul, how's the grass situation going? They're gonna laugh, they're gonna feel like, oh my God, this guy remember. No one has ever remembered that. That's key. Look, and yeah, if you have 50 customers, maybe 20, you're gonna remember every single detail, but when you're trying to scale, have SOPs and have a team, you need to write it down. Have it on a CRM and have Excel sheet with all the customer names. Like right now, I even have like 9,000 phone numbers, something like that, crazy. And I've been in business for 2 years and 10 months, something like that. So guys, look, the smoother your system is, the easier it is for your customers to say yes. Hey guys, I promise you, if you implement all these 6 points, it was 5, but I give you a 6th one, a bonus. I'm just kidding. But I do coach detailers on a daily basis. I've had over 600 students and I help them scale their business through SEO, social media, strategies, Google ads, meta ads, sales, absolutely everything that's gonna help you reach my point, which I'm making 50 grand a month. Like I said, I have 3 vans and a beautiful team that takes care of the jobs while I scale the business from home. So if you're interested in booking a free strategy call with my team and see if we can help you out scale, click the link in the bio and I'll see you there. Thank you for joining and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and like it. Let's get it. Look, even if it's just an entry-level service, don't just do enough. Over deliver, like I said, because that's gonna give you a customer that wants maintenance, because it feels like you care about your business and you care about him, not just getting the money and just dipping, right? So very, very important. You need to treat every customer like a long-term one